Okay, I forgot to do the video of what I also put. Yesterday I put more stuff in to the evacuation kit, the lone wolf one. I did buy another one yesterday too, along with another no spoof waterproof little first aid kit. Also, from the evacuation kit I have the quake whatever. By the way, this is loud. I'm not doing this at full power. I'm just gonna do this. Wait. Yeah. Rest in peace, the ears of people who have headphones on. But I put dude wipes in there because you're gonna have to clean off a wound anyway, since you have, you know. I also, put a reusable face mask. I put the gloves from the other kit in there too. I also put two bags. Well, actually, technically, I have three because one houses the dew wipes and the masks I can use. I pretty much have three bags for water thing. I also carry a Silcock key, so that takes care of water. Like, I'm thinking, what if I was in an urban situation or in the city? What would I want? How would I, dew wipes? So like, put a couple like five. I put like five in there. Because one, you're going to have to use it to wipe off a wound or cut to clean it. Right? I will be putting in, of course, y'all can say, of course, chapstick to protect the wound or protect the cut or whatever. Yes, I know. Right? Also, I'm in here because this is the easiest way to clean the Borlo because I will be using it. I'll probably end up buying another one anyway. It's like, because I just want a small bolo to have in my pocket to, if I have like, I get like an apple and I want to, take a chunk off that and eat it, I can. I think everyone should have a bolo knife in your as a carry. But yeah, I put matches in there, just some standard little shotgun the box matches, because if I am in an open situation where I have to evacuate and I can go real quick to get a can of beans or whatever, I want a way to cook those beans. What I will also do is put in, if I can, put in some plastic silverware. Trust me, that's something you'll need too, right? Now, I saw, like, this is not a survival kit. This is, like, but survival is subjective. You're going to have to survive an evacuation. And to me, it seems like a evacuation kit to begin with. So, yeah. Anyway, peace.